Welcome back to the Hollis Saver Garden. Many blessings to you all. So I just want to come on because I'm feeling a little fine, a little decent today. So I want to come on and just show you the garden again. So let's see. I don't think no, I didn't show you guys. This is what I got from Tractor Supply. This is a Duke. It was $20. But look how many berries are on here for $20. Ooh. I'll take that. This just got ready. Because the ones that were ready, I took off and washed them off and ate them already. But this one just got ready. It's going to be in this spot. There's berries. One of them had a big, nice cluster of them. But I can't find it. Might not have been that one. Maybe, maybe not. And then look at these. You okay? Yes. Okay. This is my blueberry. Which one did you get? From that one over there? Okay. Look at this. Are these going to be small? Didn't get a chance to do the trellising system yet still. Oh, things are always thinking. No, things are always going on. This is, what does she have? Oh, yeah, I thought it was a spider on me. I was going to holler. This is the lemon something. Let me see. A lemon cucumber. I think it's getting big. I need to, let me see, pick this up because, hold on, y'all. Hold on, I got to put y'all down. In the ground, on the dirt. I still hear though. Y'all just in the dirt. Where you should be. With the plants. I had to put that in there because I want to grow up. I want to grow up this excuse me, clothesline, huh? No, that's not ready. Don't pull those. Oh yay. Yeah, give them here. I'll take them. These are, you okay, Cheeks? These are the currants. The black currants. Look at that. They are fat. Juicy. And then these been in the garden. The other thing I got from the from Tractor Supply is this one. This is the peach sorbet. That was expensive, but it has clusters all over. That's not the spot it's gonna be in, but come on, Ray. She said no. Ren, you can only get them if they're ready. What's that? Oh, okay. Make sure I wasn't stepping in a tick bed. I have shishitos. Look at that. I already harvested, so I'm glad there's still some more. Can you see it? Yeah. We have shishitos on here. I can't bend, y'all, so the camera is weird. Huh? That one, let's see, isn't she trying to eat all the fall gold raspberries? These, let me tell y'all, these are my favorite. They are so juicy and so delicious. Hand me what a sticks. Okay, I see it. They are so juicy and delicious. We have been tearing these things up. They are very good. There's some spiders on that thing. Did the spider fall? Yes. Ugh. That means it was in my hand. But yes, guys, these are so good. I need to stake this one up. Remember, watch your fingers. These are not thornless. But I just wanted to come on to show you what I get. But look at this. Can you see that? Look at this. Those are peaches. That's the peach tree, yeah. This, I just planted like a little, I want to say I guess a month or when I showed you guys the video. And look how much growth from that. One area I will not go in is the watermelon area because it's too tight. And like I said, I'm not trying to hurt myself. I'm just trying to enjoy the garden. And it's a raspberry over here that might be ready, and I'm not gonna tell them. I'm not gonna tell the children. I need to get this box from over here because I'm sure it's some spiders under here. Is this ready? No, this not ready. Ooh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, it was on me, y'all. No, that's not ready. Look at that though. It's gonna be ready. Hmm. Yes, there's some good apples on that tree. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys a little bit of the garden. I have a Granny Smith apple tree also, but I'm not walking all the way over there. But that 75% off, I ended up paying $27 for that tree, and it was $100. I was like, I'm definitely getting that. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of the stuff that I get, and I definitely want to show off those blueberries because I cannot wait till this season too when they get ready, but next season to see how much growth on those blueberries. But that's all I want to show you guys. So like, share. Oh no, that's not it. I almost forgot. I found the ultimate harvesting basket. Look at this. Let me back up some. This is the ultimate harvesting basket. I got this from Walmart. Okay. Of course, it's a clothes hamper. And it has wheels. Can you see the wheels? It has wheels. And then when I harvest, because of my surgery, I could just pull this. And I'm not carrying those heavy baskets. How awesome is that? And then I got this little table here, the foldable one. Let's see if I can show you guys the foldable table when I'm in the garden so I can use it in the garden instead of, because I can't be on the ground. And then, I have my little seat. So yes, I'm just grabbing things so I can help myself in the garden because I want to be in the garden. And I can't be in the garden if I'm hurting. But I got to find ways so I can be in the garden without hurting. But yes, I just want to show you guys I am trying to get out here because I can't have this a hot mess. But even though it's already a hot mess, it is a hot mess. So I'm going to stake up this raspberry really quick too, if I can. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what was going on with the stuff I got. I think I'll wait till I get off with you guys. Look at that pineapple sage. I'm harvesting. I have to get some of that. And the regular sage, I have to get that. I don't have my tripod. So next time I'm out, I'll have the tripod and I'll do some things with you guys. I'm sure it'll be time to harvest some more stuff. But I will definitely bring you with me as I harvest the next time when I have my tripod. But I'm out with the little ones and I'm not trying to do too much and just trying to get them some fresh air, me some fresh air, and still healing. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. I'm excited for this season. Many blessings.